How to unpublish a Facebook page. In order to do that, you can head over right here to your three lines. Then just switch into your actual page. So for example, let's switch to this page right here. And then once you have switched to that profile, you can head over and then go right here to this one. Let's click on the three lines. Let's click on our gear icon. Now let's scroll down to the bottom until you can see in here page visibility. So if you can't find it right here, you can head over and then just search in here as well. So let's click on this settings and let's search in here for visibility. And then we have in here this options right here as well. Now from in there, you can also just find it right here onto your gear icon, which is your profile page. Now click on the three dots and we have this right here. Click on this edit. Scroll down and you can edit the links. You can also go to your page status, then scroll down, and then you can see in here your benefits. Now you can click right here, and then you can manage your admins as well as everything that you have right there. So that's how you unpublish a basic page. If we help,